Vector search is fast, but speed comes at a price. It's a little rough. It quickly grabs results that are roughly in the right neighborhood, but the exact order isn't always perfect. So the best of the very best might be sitting at position 7, not position 1. Today we fix that with a clever second step called re-ranking, and it can seriously boost answer quality. Welcome back to AI in 5. Here's the idea. After your fast search pulls back a batch of candidates, a re-ranker takes a closer, more careful look at just those few and reorders them by true relevance. The first search casts a wide net quickly. The re-ranker is the expert who carefully sorts the catch. 2 stages, each doing what it's best at, speed first, then precision. The pattern is called two-stage retrieval. Stage 1, your fast vector search grabs a generous batch, say the top 50 candidates. Stage 2, the re-ranker carefully scores each of those 50 against the question and reorders them. Then you keep just the top 5 and send those to the model. Retrieve wide and fast, then rank tight and smart. You get speed and quality, not a compromise between them. You might ask, why not just do the careful comparison from the start? Because the careful method is slow, far too slow to run against millions of vectors for every query. The trick is to use cheap, fast search to shrink millions down to 50, and only then spend the expensive, accurate effort on those 50. You get the deep analysis without paying for it across your whole database. The tool that does the re-ranking is often a cross-encoder. The name sounds scary, the idea isn't. Normal embedding search encodes the question and the document separately, then compares the 2 vectors. A cross-encoder reads the question and a document together at the same time, so it can judge how well they actually fit. That joint reading is more accurate, but it's why you can only afford to do it on a short list. So picture 2 specialists. The embedding search is the fast finder. It encodes things separately and scans at lightning speed, getting you roughly the right set. The cross-encoder is the careful judge. It reads question and document together for a sharper verdict, but it's slower. You let the fast finder do the broad sweep, and the careful judge make the final call on the short list. Best of both. Re-ranking isn't free, so be honest about the trade. You get noticeably better ordering. The truly best passage tends to land at the top where it belongs. But you add a little latency and cost for that second pass. You can tune it, re-rank 50 candidates, or just 20, depending on how much speed you're willing to spend for that extra accuracy. It's a dial, not a switch. When should you bother? When answer quality genuinely matters, like legal, medical, or support, where a slightly wrong passage leads to a wrong answer. When queries are subtle or ambiguous and the right match is easy to confuse with near misses. And when your top results all look similar and you need the truly best one on top. For a casual demo, you can skip it. For a serious product, it often pays off. So the mantra to remember is retrieve wide, rank tight. Use cheap, fast search to gather plenty of candidates. Then use a careful re-ranker to put the very best ones on top before they reach the model. It's one of the highest impact upgrades you can add to a RAG system once the basics are working. So re-ranking is a smart second pass that reorders your top candidates for real accuracy, trading a little speed for noticeably better answers. We've now got a powerful pipeline. But how do you actually know if it's any good? Tomorrow, we get rigorous and learn to measure RAG quality instead of just guessing. See you tomorrow on AI in 5.